magical abilities of AI to help you book qualified sales appointment on your calendar. Go to the Google Chrome web store here and you want to search for a Chrome extension called OutreachGenius. Once you've installed it, the next thing you want to do is you want to go onto LinkedIn. Now, for you to start using it, you need to click on a specific profile. Let's say Nicole here. I want to open OutreachGenius and then we want to send her a connection request message so we can begin the conversation with her. Let's make the tone humorous and let's make the relationship new connection, and the lens, let's make it medium, and then let's generate the message. Hey Nicole, I'm David, and it looks like we have a lot in common. I am a successful entrepreneur too, and I'm looking to expand my network to learn more about sales, distribution, marketing, e-commerce, and leading a team. Your experience has been incredibly impressive, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you and learning from your expertise. I'm sure the knowledge you have from teaching and speaking will be invaluable to me. What do you think? Would you like to join my network and exchange ideas? So go ahead, go install this Chrome extension, use it for yourself, try it out, and I'm sure you won't be disappointed.